f of xl. Okay, so I have here sample problem. Use false position method in determining the root of the function, which is the same function that we used in the previous discussion. Okay, so ito na yung result after using Excel. So first na iteration natin, we use the two initial guesses, XL and XU. Then we substitute here the XL sa function and also yung XU sa function. And then we obtained XR. This is using the formula kanina. Ito, using this one. Then, kunin din natin yung f of XR. Kasi kailangan natin mamaya for making the evaluations. So, ito na yun yung evaluation natin. I-multiply yung f of XL and f of XR. So, ang lumabas is negative. It means to say they have different sign. So, or opposite sign. So, somewhere in this interval XL to XR, nandoon yung root. Diba? So, if that is the case, the boundary na or interval in the next iteration will be XL na, same pa rin sa first iteration, and then XR, yung XU. So, same evaluations lang sa bisection method. And then, you continue the process. Dito, 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 and dito. And actually, if you're using Microsoft Excel, you just create one formula for this first row. And then, you copy or drag pababa. Okay, so as you can see, after 14th iteration, hindi na nag-change yung values natin. No? So, we actually homed in on the correct answer, which is 14.78. So, meron pa siyang other values here, other digits. So, this will be our rough estimate of the root of the function, which is actually consistent with the answer that we got in the previous method. So, 14.78. Okay, so kayo na yung bahala sa paggawa ng formulas dito. No, i-drag down nyo lang. So, it will be much easier and faster if you use Microsoft Excel. Now, one way to make sure that you've got the correct answer is you substitute back, no, itong estimate ninyo na value doon sa function mismo. And if you have gotten an answer that is equals to 0 or very close to 0, then that means that you are probably got the correct rough estimate of the function. So another way of checking or making sure that you got all the roots, kasi possible na the function is marami yung roots. So kung quadratic, so di ba dalawa, and then if cubic, tatlo, so 4, so depende kung ilan yung real roots dyan. So just make sure that you know how many roots are there in the function. No, you can actually do that if you have the means to obtain the yung graph ng function, just like this one. If this is our function f of x, then na-drawing siya, na-graph siya, so we can see that there's actually multiple roots for this function. Diba? So, it depends on the interval na ibibigay mo. Kung ang binigay mo na interval is x5 and x6, you will get this root. So root 1, let's say. Then if you get this one and this one, probably you will be getting this other root, root 2. And same process dito rin sa other roots. But the problem here sometimes is kapag very close yung dalawang root. So yung bracket natin will be dapat very accurate din, no? Para hindi ma-touch itong other root, which is very closer to the other. Okay, so that's all for the discussion. So this is our lab activity number 4. So to be passed before lunch. So we have problem 1 and problem 2. So determine the real root of ln x squared equals to 0.7. So graphically, then bisection method, and then false position method. So in this problem 1, binigyan tayo ng mga initial guesses. Okay, so sa problem 2 naman, we have here the function. So isolve daw analytically. So again, using Excel, lahat to gagamitan nyo ng Excel. So then graphically, bisection, false position. So walang binigay na initial guesses dito. Walang initial guesses. So note lang that after every iteration, you show the approximate relative error. Okay, and wala akong binigay dito na pre-specified tolerance. So hindi kayo mag-assume, no? As much as possible, if your criteria is yung f of xl times f of xr mag-equate sa 0, so as much as possible, mag-i-end kayo if the value of this product is very close talaga sa 0. Anyway, the calculations, hindi naman nyo paghihirapan because you will just drag it down. So kahit ilang cells pa yung nagamit ninyo, it will be easy, no? So that's the lab activity number 4.